I'm Elise Michelle Nelson, and if you're anything like me, your first mentors were your mom and your dad. They told you to go to school, get good grades, and go to college. I followed that path and became a sonographer. The job paid well, but it kept me away from my daughter. I knew I had to make a change, so I ventured into running my own business. My journey led me to the world of marketing. I was captivated by the idea that anyone could build a business and achieve financial freedom. However, I saw countless business owners struggle despite their hard work. They weren't making the progress or income they deserved. I tried every social media platform, did all the things, but nothing brought the results I was looking for. The turning point came when I decided to focus on YouTube. I invested in trainings and applied everything I learned, but the real breakthrough came when I developed my own strategies. It took me 4 years and 33 days to crack the YouTube code. When I did, everything changed. I started earning money every week from my channel, and my business gained visibility like never before. YouTube was different. It allowed your audience to find you, validating that hard work truly pays off when directed effectively. Why spend years figuring it out alone? You can fast-track your success with the right guidance. That's why I created the YouTube Cohort. This year-long, expert-led program is designed to help business owners like you harness the power of YouTube for unmatched lead generation and business expansion. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy, I can help. I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube analytics to fine-tune your approach, create content that captivates and converts, and build a robust marketing funnel that maximizes your revenue. We'll dive into video storytelling that hooks viewers and crafting a brand that stands out in a crowded market. You'll gain the skills to turn YouTube into a powerful engine for your business success. Stop wasting time and missing out on opportunities. Invest in your future and join a community that's been where you are and succeeded. I'm here to help you navigate the world of YouTube, avoid common pitfalls, and achieve the success you deserve. If you're ready to elevate your business, join the YouTube Cohort today. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of your business and transform your dreams into reality.